This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today the 2015 Hyundai Veloster, stock number 6645. This ran from the 10th 2011 to 2nd 2018. It has a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 3 dents, left rear 18-inch FWD mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid, right hand tail light, right front door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 18-inch FWD mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,